68. The Pen. This surah has 52 verses in 2 sections. The surah tells us that the message of the Prophet is not the talk of a madman. The writings of all scriptures bear testimony to the truth of this message. It urges people to be charitable and help the poor and needy. The story of the people of a garden is mentioned who wished to deny the charity to the poor, and they suffered the consequence in losing everything. The surah ends with the story of Prophet Jonah, peace be upon him. It urges the Prophet and through him his followers to continue this mission and not to give up in frustration. The mission of Islam is for the whole world.